Looking to play your favorite games away from your desk? Then handheld cloud gaming is going to be your new best friend. With the Logitech G Cloud, you can play your favorite AAAs with all the specs of a console twice the size. So let's check it out. The Logitech G Cloud is a brand new cloud gaming device that's a portable, easy to navigate handheld console with the ability to play your favorite games without sacrificing any of the quality. Whether you're relaxing in your bedroom or just lounging in the garden, you have a whole library of games at your fingertips. We've got our cloud right here. It comes in this neat little box, so we can get straight to the main event here without any excess packaging. We've got the power adapter and the USB cable underneath, but we're going to set that aside for the moment so we can focus on the console itself. So here it is. The Cloud is a compact handheld device weighing only 463 grams. It's got a 7-inch IPS display screen on the front, which operates at 1920 by 1080p. The console has a long battery life with a full charge, allowing you to play for an impressive 12 hours. You simply switch it on at the top here, and we've already gone ahead and set this one up. So we can show you the Cloud in action. It's nice and easy to navigate and comes with Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and Steam Link pre-installed. So it's simply a case of selecting the app you want to use, finding the game you want to play, and thanks to cloud streaming, you'll be ready to play before you know it. Just like that, regardless of whether you're jumping back into a brand new open world AAA or a fun little indie, it can keep up. On the bottom, we have the USB-C port, 3.5mm jack, and the dual speaker. The speaker itself is driven by a high voltage smart amplifier, and the built-in stereo microphone has echo cancellation and noise suppression. So you can chat to your friends in games without any interruptions. On the top of the device, we have the left and right bumpers and triggers, the volume button, micro SD card slot, and finally the power switch. It also has a fanless cooling design, which means no matter how long your gaming sessions are, it won't overheat. It has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth wireless connectivity, and with all these different services at your fingertips, crossplay with your friends has never been easier. This is actually also a touchscreen, so you can navigate the interface with a simple swipe. Either side of the screen, you've got the joysticks, A, B, X, Y buttons, and the D-pad. The gameplay controls can be remapped to your specifications, and the console sits comfortably in your hands thanks to the ergonomic design. The button layout is intuitive, so from the moment you get it out of the box, your gamer muscle memory will kick in, and you'll be able to jump straight into your favorite games like you've been using the Cloud for years. There's also this sleek little carry case sold separately that will allow you to tuck away your Cloud safely and securely, ready for your next play session. So there we have it. The Logitech G Cloud is incredibly easy to use, but not so easy to put down. Let us know in the comments what game you'll be streaming first. Head to the link in the description to pick up the console for yourself, and thanks for watching.